Good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. The sun is shining. I have showered. I am ready for the day, and it's only like 9:15. This is like a record 2 days in a row for me. It's like because I have to go somewhere, I had to get up and take a shower and get myself together because I can't go out in public looking like a hobo. So anyway, not that I don't look, anyway. I'll shut up. Hey, hi. So today is Tuesday. I have some errands that I have to run. First thing I have to go do is put gas in my car because y'all, when I left Kroger yesterday, I meant to go put gas in my car and then I got halfway home and I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to put gas in my car. So I'm on E, like E. So I have got to go put gas in my car. Then I have to run to CVS really quick to drop off Brian's script. And I was gonna go to Walmart and pick up I have a list of things that I need to get that I forgot to get yesterday at Kroger. And I wanna see if they have any fake snow so I can pack it all in there. So let's go run a few errands and let's enjoy the day. It's nice and sunny outside. It's cold, but it's windy. So I'm not exactly happy about the wind, but what can you do? Alrighty guys, so I am at Walmart to run in here to get a few things that I need. I'm actually gonna go over to the Christmas section as well and look to see if they have any of like fake snow that I could put around my little trees out front in those little galvanized tins. And then somebody gave me a tip and a comment and said to flip the foam ball upside down so the round part is in the bottom. So that's a smart tip. That was probably like something stupid that I just didn't think of, but she thought of it, which was brilliant. So thank you so much for giving me that wonderful tip. So when I get home, I'm going to try that. I think that that's going to be the best way to do it because it's going to fit right there in that little area and it's not going to be, yeah, that's probably smart. All right, let's go to Walmart and see what they got. They have some really cute ornaments here. This one's really cute. It's just made out of wood. How cute is that? $1.97. These ones are really cute too. It just says joy. Super cute. I have a bunch of these. Cute. No. Cute stuff though. I have one of these and he is just so cute. I absolutely love him. I'm gonna get another one so I can hang him in my other tree. I think he's so cute. $1.97 for the little mouse. He's cute. Oh, and I like this thing. I like the black bear too. That's a cute little black bear. But I love that with the hat and all the little balls on the top. That's super cute. A lot of this stuff has been picked through. Wow. People went crazy. They have a bunch of bags and a bunch of wrapping paper and books and stuff like that, but they have zero snow anywhere. No snow. These are cute. I'm gonna have to come back when I'm gonna have my party and get napkins and stuff for my little party. Oh, these are fun straws. Those are great. Ooh, lots of fun. But seriously, like, no fake snow. So I'm actually here to get Brian some of these chewy Chips Ahoy cookies because he loves those. I'm actually thinking I'm gonna get the family size instead of the regular size. But they don't have any of my cookies. Have you guys ever noticed that? Like all of the cookies that, remember those cookies that I used to get like all the time the beginning of the year? They're like nowhere to be found. Can't find them anywhere. And that like sucks because see they have these with like the vanilla wafers. These are the Vortmans. These right here. But they don't have like the caramel ones anymore. Isn't that crazy? They have chocolate cream ones, but no more of the caramel ones. Oh my gosh. I hate that. See, they have orange cream, chocolate, which I'm sure the chocolate's good too. I might get I don't know if I like the orange cream. Did I like the orange cream? Oh, the sugar-free. Ugh, not gonna like those. Who does sugar-free cookies? That's insane. If you're gonna have a cookie, dang well better have some sugar in it. Alrighty guys, so I am back from running my few errands. Excuse me, I actually just had some lunch. I just made a sandwich really quick. And then while I was at Walmart, I picked up some more of that flocked garland, which is right here. And I'm basically going to be putting this flocked garland on this thing. This thing is going to get, you know, changed up for the Christmas season. That was one thing that I needed to add to my list of things to do, and that being one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. And I'll probably share the process with you guys just to see how I decorate that little thing. So let's go ahead and get started.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time.
These are not gonna work. I hate these kind of like fluorescent lights. They drive me crazy. I bought these ones. These ones were actually for my tree in the dining room, but these aren't going to work either because I don't like those. And then I bought these ones because I was going to put those ones in here, but they take batteries, and I had a huge pack of batteries and I can't find them anywhere. So I texted Brian, and I don't know what he did with them. He must have used them for something, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get batteries for these. They take 3 AA's, it looks like. Yeah, 3 AA's. So I'm gonna have to wait and get batteries for these. But yeah, these ones are gonna go on the garland in here. Sorry guys, they're gonna go on the garland in here. Well, that's frustrating. Ugh, annoying. Alrighty, so this part is finished. I just have to get batteries for those lights, and then that'll be done. I don't know where in the world those batteries went. I had a whole pack of batteries. Can't find them. I guess I'm gonna have to start looking around the house for them, because I know they're here somewhere. I had a huge pack of batteries. Huge pack of like 40 batteries, and I don't know where they're at. Alrighty, so I've been working on this little corner right here today, which it looks like I've got it pretty much the way that I'm gonna leave it. And I'm really happy about it. I'm really happy the way that it turned out. It looks so freaking cute. I love just like this little house down here. How cute are these little houses? I mean, they're just like so perfect. But anyway, so this is what this little area looks like. Again, don't want to give too much away. I'm gonna be doing a home tour at the end of the week here. I actually did put my little houses up here, which I absolutely love these. Super cute. And I'm debating if I want to put a wreath up here. What do you guys think? Should I put try to find a Christmas wreath to put here? Yes, no? Leave me a comment below. Let me know. I'm not really sure if I want to. I mean, I want to, but I don't know. It's like, I think I have one. So I might try it and see what it looks like up there. Hold please. All right, so what do you guys think? I kind of like it. I kind of do. I think it looks great. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna leave it because it looks really pretty with the red and stuff down here. So I think I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so my mind is made up. I'm leaving it, just so you guys know. But do I wanna leave that one there, or do I wanna put another one there? Decisions. I mean, it looks like it doesn't look round to me, but I mean it is, but it's just the way that all the stuff is, and some of the stuff has been falling off of it, and it's not very full, it looks like, but I think it'll work. Yeah, see, more stuff's falling off. Leave it alone. All right, I think it's cute. I think I'm gonna leave it the way that it is. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm leaving it. Okay, so yeah, so that's what it looks like from behind. Really cute. I like it. So far, so good. Everything is coming along, like I said, very, very nicely. I like it. So now I just have to put this one away in storage until the springtime. So this is kind of where I've been putting everything. In that tote, which is filling up rather quickly. And I know I have other wreaths somewhere. I just don't know where they're at right now. I don't know what I've done with them. I know I have a beautiful big let's see, I don't have it on the front door right now, do I? No, nothing on the front door. I know I have a nice big wreath that goes on the front door, so I have to find it. And I don't know where it's at. So, yeah. I think this one's just gonna go on my door here. This is gonna go, my Mickey Christmas one. I think this is just gonna go on my door. In my room, right here. That's where I'm putting that one. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be it for today. I have got to still finish up my foyer and I have to get this up and edited. So, and it's already, let's see, 2 o'clock? Yep, 2 o'clock, right on the dot. So I'm gonna go and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in Wonderland. Bye.